The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for southern Smith County in northeastern Texas until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chandler, or 10 miles west of Tyler, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Whitehouse around 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tyler around 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include New Chapel Hill and Noonday. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Smith, Texas.